Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm back with another episode of Action Figure Unboxing. Today I've got 3 packages to go through. They're all pretty small. Every other time I start with the small ones and then work my way up to the big one. Today I'll do it backwards. So I'll start with the largest and then work my way down to the smallest. So this one was crushed slightly when I got it, but I still held on to it because I wanted to open it on the camera. But I really hope this one's okay, because it doesn't look like it's in the best condition, so. There's 2 in here. Oh, sick! It's Crossbones! The MCU Crossbones! Oh, that's awesome! Oh, wow, this is super detailed. Look at the mask. That's sick. And then his gauntlets. Oh, man, this is super, super detailed. Wow, I love the sculpt on this guy. I'm a sucker for, like, detailed sculpt and paint, and this guy's decked right out. Wow, I'm super happy with this. Okay, and he comes with a little bag that's looking like an alternate head. Wow, and that's looking great as well. Very nice actor likeness. And he's all like burnt up. This is right before Scarlet Witch tosses him in the air from that scene in Sokovia and Avengers 2. So I'll keep that in the little baggie for now. Keep that with him. Okay, and then there's a second figure in here. So let's see what this is. Oh, I can kind of see the top of the head. And we have another MCU Red Skull. This is my 4th one of these guys now. Again, so nice looking head sculpt. I'll have to compare it really close to the other ones to see if it's worth swapping out. But then he came with a ton of accessories. See that nice bag here. And so he comes with the same 3 alternate heads as before. The blaster is looking very nice. The Hydra weapon. He's got the vest to attach onto him. And then the 3 same head sculpts as before. Oh. Same 3 head sculpts as before. And he comes with the alternate hand. So if I need an extra trigger finger, I've got it. So that's really helpful. I'll put all these accessories back before I lose them or a cat takes them. Yeah, so I'm gonna play with my setup there, getting that exactly how I want it. But wow, I'm really happy with that Crossbones more than anything. Jeez, that was a good little one. Okay, and nothing was damaged too, luckily. I thought that was something else. I thought it was something in the box. So next we'll go over the medium one. Wow, that big envelope for a smaller Ziploc. And you're thinking, really, you wasted shipping and all that on a head sculpt? And yes, I did. This is the animated VHS box set Morph from the X-Men 97, or it might be the original animated series, I'm not sure, but I know it's from the VHS box set of Morph. This is the evil head alternate, because there's like a main one where he doesn't have the eyeshadow. And I have the love triangle Cyclops here with the jacket, and so I was hoping, doing a little kick bash here, as long as all goes well. Yes, that plugs on there nicely, and so now I have Morph. Although it's sitting a little bit low on the neck, but it'll have to do for now. So now, yeah, I've got Morph. That's awesome. He can join my X-Men team. One more package to go. Another little one. So yeah, I decided not to use the Love Triangle Cyclops because I just bought the Jim Lee style Cyclops that comes with is it Warlock? Yeah, Build-A-Figure Warlock Cyclops, and I paid a lot of money for it, so I didn't want to like just get rid of it right away. This is really tightly packed. And they're almost the exact same figure. It's literally just one has the jacket and one doesn't. And neither one came with an optic blast accessory, which kind of sucks. But and that kind of sucks. So I thought I had ordered Mjolnir to give to Thor, and this is just some other kind of hammer. This is not Mjolnir. Fuck. Well, that was a waste. That was a mistake. Damn it. Damn it. I mean, it's the right scale and everything, but it's not the right shape. It's not Mjolnir. So, well, it wasn't labeled as. That was my fault for purchasing it. But I guess not a bad haul overall. I got Morph to add to my X-Men Animated Series shelf now. I got a new Red Skull that is gonna just be a Hydra agent, and Crossbones. So definitely the winner of this lot was Crossbones, but not a bad haul overall. Pretty happy with that. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, so you stay up to date on everything Marvel Legends from my channel. And remember, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.